Chances are, right now, you want to lose some weight, build more muscle, and get in better shape. Or maybe you just want to live a healthier lifestyle. Well, we're here to challenge you, to challenge the way you think about slimming down and shaping up by introducing you to the Body by Vi 90-Day Challenge. The Body by Vi 90-Day Challenge is today's hottest weight loss and fitness challenge out there. It is a simple program that anybody can do. It's delicious, convenient, and most importantly, it works. Take the challenge and you will find it's not just about what you have to lose, but what you have to gain. Like over $25 million a year in free product, prizes, and vacations. People all over the country are celebrating and being rewarded by transforming their lives. Powered by a line of leading wellness products by Visalis Sciences, it's a meal replacement shake which in return will save you money. The Body by Vi 90-Day Challenge is a great way to start a lasting health transformation. It's the shake mix that tastes like cake mix. So let's shake the fat off now. Check out our website at www.shakethefatoffnow.com.